Another intriguing area at the Bendricks. These are a sheet of wind-blown ripples. There's lots of these around, and the process is that you can see they're really beautifully clear. Early hours of the morning, the ground's moist, wind blowing the sands and the muds across this inland plain near a great lake. And as it gets to about 11-12 o'clock, the sun's really coming up, 50 degrees C, almost fuses these ripples together to preserve them forever. And down here, interestingly enough, on a lower level, they're actually fossilised raindrops, amazingly enough. And as the if we could zoom in on them, a bit of a raindrop would come down and obviously displace the muds and the sands. And again, as the temperatures start to rise, they're being fossilised, and then alongside these fossilised raindrops, they're being filled later with sands and muds alongside these wind-blown ripples. So this is Karl-James Langford again at the Bendricks. Thanks again for watching.